All right, so this is my new favorite. I'm gonna take donutshop, the original caramel latte, delicious on its own. I use a Ninja Pod Duo. I can do grounds. So fancy, so hot. But I take the caramel latte. I'm gonna add in select sea salted caramel whiskey and cream liqueur. Always bet on Mr. Black, Cold Brew, just to give it a little added kick. This is delicious stuff, Mr. Black. Real heavy whipped cream, baby. Probably running out. So let's get going and give her a taste. I feel like a mad scientist using these. So just the nuts. Woo. If you don't have Mr. Black, try Kahlua. A little different taste. Still good. Kahlua and Bailey's is my morning drink of choice. Kind of super pick me up. Bam, bam, bam. And today it's hot coffee. Tomorrow it'll be cold coffee. So it works. If it works, it works. My super cool spoon. There is no spoon. There is no spoon. There is no spoon. The key is there is no spoon. All right, anybody into the Matrix? Well, that's me. So, yo, Neo. Finish it off with the whipped cream. And imbibe. That's ridiculous good coffee. I can knock these down, be a wide awake drunk. I didn't say that. Later.